In this lesson, we're going to walk through how to create your free Spotify app. This app will allow you to access your Spotify playlists, to import them, and if you're using Phenom Bingo Lite, to actually use Phenom Bingo Lite as the playback for your Spotify playlists. So the first thing you need to do is come to the developer.spotify.com, and if you haven't already set up an app, then you'll be greeted with this terms and conditions. So all you do is you just click accept the terms, come to your dashboard, and up here you'll see create app. So we'll click that. Now we're going to start to type the app names. You can call whatever you like. I'm just going to call this Phenom Music Bingo app. And add a description, access for music bingo card generator, and Phenom Bingo Lite. Okay, scroll down. Now you notice that as soon as I started writing the app name and description, the web API option has become disabled, and that's the one we need. So what we need to do is we're just going to cancel out of this. So we're going to come back in. So we're going to go create app, and we're going to select web API first. Okay. And then, so if that happens to you, it may not happen every time, but if you lose that web API option as soon as you type in an app name, go out, come back in, and select that first, and then you're good to go. So now we'll type in our stuff again. The website, just put in phenomcentral.com. Now the redirect URLs, this is important. We're going to put two in. The first one we're going to put in is http://127.0.0.1:8888/callback. Now these ones are important because this is how this links in, and the other one is 8898. Okay, so those are the two redirect URLs you will need for it to work with Music Bingo Card Generator and the Lite. We've already selected our web API, so now we're going to go I understand, and we're going to click save, and that's it. It's been created. Now I've created this on a demo account, so I'm going to be deleting this account, so this client ID doesn't matter. But this is what you'll need to put into Music Bingo Card Generator into the Spotify field. So you're going to just click on this copy here to copy the client ID, and then you'll come down, you'll click View Secret, View Client Secret. That will display and copy that. Okay, so you'll copy your client ID and your client secret into Music Bingo Card Generator. I highly recommend you saving this information somewhere on your computer, so you don't have to keep on coming in here and getting that. Once you've done that, the next thing you need to do is you need to come across to user management, and you need to add your name and the email address associated to this account. So the account that you're subscribed into and created the the app under. So that is important. If you don't put your name and the email associated with your Spotify account in here and click add, it will tell you that you've got to do it. So you might as well do it straight away. And that's all you need to do to set up your free Spotify app. Now, one other thing to note, you must have a Spotify premium account before you can even set up the app. That's the problem I just ran into then, because when I first set up the app for the live system, it didn't force me to have a Spotify premium account at that time. That's been a new addition to the API since I think June or something. It's been quite a recent addition to the requirements. So have your Spotify account, make sure you've got a premium account. You can get, if you haven't done it already, you can get 3 months free on a premium account, just to try it out. So that's that for you as well. That is at the time of recording, and that's it. So now we'll move on to the next lesson.